Hi, good morning. So today we are going to start with reading. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's do Monday since we didn't, no, let's do Wednesday, sorry, since today is Wednesday. We're going to be doing social skills, reader, a big mistake. So let's look at the calendar for Wednesday. Social skills reader, a big mistake, page 45 and 52. So let's go down to 45 and 52. Oh, right here. Okay, so right here, this is the worksheet you should be looking at in your packet, page 45. So right here, guys, we're going to be talking about a big mistake. So we're going to read this short story and then we're going to answer some questions and then we'll discuss. So let's begin. Thomas is having a big problem at work. Do you remember a mistake you made? Yes, everybody makes mistakes. So here's our emotion dictionary. We have happy, which means glad, pleased, or comfortable. So happy, you smile. Worried means that you're concerned, like, oh my God, like what's gonna happen? It means you're afraid, you're anxious about something. For example, my sister is late and I'm worried about her. Then you have mad. Mad means angry. I am mad at you for breaking my window. So mad means angry. Embarrassed means uncomfortable or ashamed. Giving the wrong answer makes me embarrassed. A big deal. It says, I am the boss of a company that makes books. Today I have a very important visitor. This woman is in charge of all the schools in our state. I show her new math textbook and she likes it. She will order this textbook for all of her schools. How do I feel? So how is he feeling? Let's look at his face expression. Is he feeling happy? Is he feeling worried? Or is he feeling confused? How is he feeling? Good job. Yes, he is feeling happy. I get an angry phone call. I am on the phone with the school manager. The school year is starting and their books have not arrived. This is a big problem for all the schools. The manager is very, very angry. It is now a big problem for us. How is he feeling? Is he feeling proud? Is he feeling happy? Or is he feeling worried? Circle the answer. Good job. My turn to be angry. I'm very upset about the books being late. In the shipping department, I find Keith, the department head. I show him the order form and ask him what happened. Before he can tell me, I start to yell at him. How could he let this happen? How am I feeling? Am I feeling scared? Am I feeling sad? Am I feeling mad? Circle your best answer. Keith shows me something. Before I'm done yelling, Keith interrupts me. He has been looking at the order form. He shows me that the address printed on it is wrong. That is why the delivery is late. I'm the one who made the mistake, not Keith. How do I feel? Do I feel hot? Do I feel proud? Or do I feel embarrassed? How am I feeling? How does he feel? Good job. Now we're going to connect the face to the feeling. So you are going to match which one goes with what. You have happy, worried, embarrassed, scared, and mad. Circle your best answer. It is in your packet. What do you think? Why did a form make Thomas embarrassed? So why was Thomas embarrassed? So you're going to tell me, why did the form make him embarrassed? Did he make a mistake or did Keith make the mistake? Write your answer. Good job. Two of these people feel embarrassed. Which two feel embarrassed here? Circle them. Can you find them? Good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you take a picture so we can submit a grade. Good luck.